All right, I'm going to be explaining the muscles of the face, of facial expressions and mastication using my 3D model here. So to start, we have the frontal belly of the occipital frontalis, which can be seen right here, or if I was on my face, it would be about right here. This elevates your eyebrows if you're like glancing upwards or like in shocked expression, and it draws your scalp forward and wrinkles the skin on your forehead. Next, we have the occipital belly of the occipital frontalis, which is more so on the side of your head, so like somewhere around here, and this is going to retract your scalp. Next, we have the orbicularis oculi, which can be seen right there, and this is what's going to close your eyelids if you're just closing them or blinking. It's anything that closes your eyes. Next, we have the corrugator supercilii, which is right here, and this is what's going to draw your eyebrows medially and downward, kind of like that, like in a frowning expression. The nasalalis right here is going to be what widens your nostrils or flares your nostrils. The orbicularis oris right here is going to be what closes your mouth and kind of puckers your lips into a kissing face like that. Next, we have the levator labii superioris, which is right there, which is what's going to elevate your upper lip. Then right next to that, we have the zygomaticus minor, which is right there, and this is what's going to elevate your mouth into a smiling. And then we have the zygomaticus major, which is right underneath the minor one. And this is what's going to elevate your upper lip into sort of an expression of laughing. And it draws the angle of your mouth upward. And then we have the buccinator muscle right there, which is what is going to compress your cheeks against your teeth, and it's going to direct food to the molars. And then we have the risorius muscle, which is right there. And this is what is going to draw the angle of the mouth laterally in expressions of laughing, horror, or disdain. The depressor inguinii oris right there is going to draw the angle of the mouth laterally and downward into a sad expression. And then the depressor labii inferioris, which can be seen right there, is going to draw your lower lip downward and laterally in chewing expressions or melancholy or doubt expressions. The mentalis muscle right there is what is going to protrude your lower lip in kind of a pouting expression, like that. So those muscles were the muscles of facial expressions, and now I'm going to talk about the muscles of mastication that we can see on my model. The first muscle of mastication we have is the masseter, which is this big one right there. And this elevates the mandible. It has a smaller role in protraction, retraction, and lateral medial excursion. And then we have the temporalis muscle, which is right there. And this is going to be used for elevation, retraction, and lateral and medial excursion of the mandible. The lateral pterygoid muscle would be right here. It's lateral to the nose. So like on the face would be like somewhere right here. And this is going to be used for depression, protraction, and lateral and medial excursion of the mandible. And then the medial pterygoid muscle is inferior to the lateral one, and it kind of goes down diagonally, kind of like through the mouth. So it would be going down diagonal from the nose and kind of to the mouth. So like somewhere like around here in the face. And this is going to be used for elevation, protraction, and lateral and medial excursion of the mandible. The other muscles used for mastication are found in the neck, and my model is mostly just at the face. So this is where my video ends, and thank you all for watching. I hope it was helpful.